Hi, this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Now today I'm going to be showing you, demonstrating to you how I use my Instant Pot. And there it is right there with all of the features. And this is the lid here. I got it plugged in. So, and to put the top on it, because I got some greens in here. To put the top on it, let me demonstrate that part to you. Let me turn this around. Okay, so this part here is just fit underneath the lip. And twist it until it stops. Twist it to the left. Okay. And make sure that this part here, this knob is turned to the right to seal it. See, right there is the sealing. And turn it this way. Okay, so now, and make sure you put it on something so it won't burn your countertop. Might not burn it, but you need some protection. Okay. Okay, so let's go. So here is showing it is off. To turn it on, press this button here. Okay, that's on. And here it shows you pressure cook, slow cook, high, slow cook, low, and that saute. Now to work your minutes, see, you turn, it's automatically set at 10. Turn it one time, that's 11. Keep turning this, and your minute goes up to the desirable amount. Now my suggestion is, make sure you check your pot every 30 minutes. Make sure you got enough water in the pot so your food will not burn. Okay, so that's, and if you want to bring your minutes down, you would do this. Turn it to the left. Okay, so let's set this at, say, 20 minutes. Now, I got some turnip greens in this pot, and before I put them in here, I forgot to show you guys how this works. So the next time, I'm going to show you from the beginning to the ending. Okay, so let's let this go a few minutes. I want you to see the steam coming from it. Okay, that's still on, so it's ready to do its thing. Turn it around so the steam will not go underneath your cabinet. So this will give it some venting space. Okay, I'll come back and show you the finished result. Okay, so now we are down to 1 minute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead on and unplug this, because I'm done. So I had my pot on for about maybe an hour, a little bit over an hour or hour and a half, but it just depends on how well you want your turnip greens cooked. I like mine cooked well. Okay, so let me turn this around, and I'm going to release this pressure here. Guys, never take this top directly off, because it is steaming, piping hot, and it's very dangerous. You can get burns. Okay, so right here is my sealing. It's turned this way, and and this little hole also releases some steam. Okay, as you can see, this is hot metal, do not touch. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna do that just a little bit, but hey, you can also release it like this too, a little bit at a time, and see that steam going up, and it is hot. It's hot. So I'm just gonna make sure I got this covering my hand just in case if any hot water splashed on my hand. Now I normally wait like maybe 3 or 4 minutes before I normally wait about 10 minutes before I release this steam. But right now I'm ready to eat, okay? Now, let's take it this way, to the left. And there's the steam. Okay, so now you see how I release the steam. Let's go ahead on and open the lid. But I'm going to wait until all the steam is gone, and I'll see you in a few. Okay, so there's no more steam. Let's turn this around. Twist it to your right. And ease this off, okay? Make sure you don't burn yourself. Okay? And that is what it's looking like. As you can see, there's still a lot of steam in there, so we don't want to burn ourselves. And here are my turnip greens here. And I think they are nice and done. They are ready. And I still got a little moisture down here at the bottom. Now, when you, depending on how much turnip green or whatever you are cooking, you only need a little bit of water. So maybe 2 cups of water. And you want to check this like every 30 minutes, okay, or every 20 minutes until you get used to it. But this is what the greens are looking like. And as you can see, I cook my stems in here too. I don't always do this, okay? I don't always cook my stems, but this time I did, okay? Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the review of this Instant Pot, and I love it. And there are some that comes with the basket, or you can purchase a basket separately. Depending on what you're cooking, it'll keep your food out of the water, won't be directly in the water. Okay? Alright, so hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.